and another triangle is ADC. Here we take triangle ADC. Here also angle ADC is 90 degrees. And here also we using Pythagoras theorem. We get x square is equal to b square minus a minus d whole square. It is equation 5. And I take equation 4 and 5 implies we get c square minus d square is equal to b square minus a minus d whole square. Here it is clearly that a form of a minus b whole square. Here a square minus 2ab plus b square. We substitute this value, we get b square minus a square minus 2ad plus b square. After we simplify this, we get plus 2ad and here minus 2ad. This d square, we cancel d square on both sides. After we get c square here minus b plus b square and minus a square. We take on LHS part plus a square minus b square is equal to, after remaining part we get 2ab. We change this LHS part to RHS part, RHS part to LHS part. We get this and we find the value of d. Here c square plus a square minus b square by here 2a comes to RHS by 2a. It is equation 6. I take equation 4 implies here x square is equal to c square minus b square. C square, in above we find the value of b. We substitute this value. We get c square plus a square minus b square by 2a, a square and whole square. We see that it is clearly that form of a square minus b square. It is comes to a plus b and a minus b. We use this formula, we get c square nothing but c and plus c square plus a square minus b square by 2a and minus c square plus a square minus 2 minus b square by 2a. Our conventionally we take c by 1 and c by 1. Okay. Now we, according to the Asabusabam mantra, we get Asa means 2a into c becomes 2ac and Busa means 1 into c square plus a square plus b square is comes to c square plus a square by b square. Bam means 1 into 2a means 2a. Here also we use Asabusabam mantra. We get Asa 2ac and Busa minus c square minus a square plus b square. Here Bam means 1 into 2a becomes 2a. Now here we multiply denominators of the values 2a into 2a, we get 1 by 4a square and we write these values also. We write it in this way: a square plus 2ac plus c square minus b square and b square minus a square minus 2ac plus c square. It is clearly that a form of a plus b whole square. We use that and here this get a plus c whole square and here a minus c whole square. Now 1 by 4a square. Here it is clearly that a form of a square minus b square nothing but a plus b and a minus b. A plus c plus b and a minus a plus c minus b. Here b plus a minus c, b minus a plus c. Let us write in these values in our favor. We get 1 by 4a square is a plus b plus c and a plus b minus c and c plus a minus b, b plus c minus a. Substituting correct values, we get 1 by 4a square of into 2s into 2s minus a into 2s minus b and into 2s minus c by 1, 2 and 3. Cancel that 1, 2, 1. 2 into 2 we get 4. So 4 into 1, 4 by a square. And here after remaining part we get s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. So x square is called under root of 4 by a square, s of s minus a of s minus b and s minus c. And here we get root 4 by a square and root s of s minus a and s minus b and s minus c. We get 2 by a under root of s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. I take it is equation 7. We know that area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Here base is a and height is b. We find the height is 2 by a under root of s of s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. We substitute these values. After we get 2 by a under root of s minus a and s minus b, s minus c. Here 2 cancel and here cancel. After we get s of s minus